Guys, guess what? There's something special I want to tell you today. We came across a app. My husband actually came across an app, and it's called Too Good To Go. And we said, okay, let's try out this app. So this is the first time. We don't actually know exactly what will be in the package. This is a food package, and we just paid online and went to pick up, and we just got them not quite long. And I want to show you what we got for 5.99, right? Yes. So you can see this one. They said this one is 25% off. Like, Too Good To Go. That's number one. Then number two, this one, they didn't put the percentage that is out. Can you see? Then you can see this one. They call it pizza, focaccia pizza. And I made focaccia bread. Wow, that's interesting. This one, they said it's 25% off. And then we have yogurt. They didn't put what percentage is off on this one. And you can see mushrooms. They said it's 25% off. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one also is 25% off. 6 and 7. This is 25% off. So those are the 7 products, and we had about 5.99. Do you think this is really worth it? Like, do you think it's really worth it? Let me know in the comment section. Can you get this for 5.99? Can you get this for 5.99 and say you really had a good buy? Let me know in the comment section. Should we try this again? Does it worth it? That is the question I'm asking myself. We have to drive almost about 20 minutes or thereabout to go and pick it up. This is our first time trying it out, and I'm not sure if I feel this is a good deal. I'm not sure. So well, anyway, hopefully we can salvage it and save the world, because personally I don't like food wastage, and any way we can salvage food is a good one, because a lot goes into food than for us to let it spoil. Well, but I'm really going to look at this very well before I eat it, because if you look at this one now, it's a little bit towards the end of life. So when you are buying this Too Good To Go, please make sure you look at it properly before you eat it, and ensure that you are eating something that is not out of its expiration date. Okay, so always check before you eat. So thank you, everyone. Do you enjoy this video? Should I try this Too Good To Go again the second time? This is my first time. Should I try it again? Let me know in the comment section, and see you some other time. Please do well to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like this. Peace out.